Yeah, so good evening. In this batch, I'm going to start data structures, data structures and algorithms, data structures and algorithms with Python. Okay, so data structures and algorithms with Python. The duration of this course is, sir, almost we are going to spend 2 months. Trust me, it won't take 2 months, but maximum I will try to wind up by taking maximum 45 to 50 sessions is more than sufficient. Okay. And fees for this batch is um, rupees 2500 Indian currency. And coming to the timings of this session, the timings of this session is every day, Monday to Friday. So the session starts at 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Maximum 10, 15 like that. We will wind up. One hour session will be there. So please be ready with 9 to 10:30. Try to available from 9 to 10:30. So depending on the topic, sometimes I will wind up at 10 o'clock, sometimes 10:15 like that. Okay. So if any doubts or if any what you can call Q&A session you need, just another 10 or 15 minutes we will spend. Okay. Suppose if some people are not having that much knowledge in Python, so in such cases, just I will extend some 10 or 15 minutes. The people who are having doubts, so they can stay and they can clear your doubts. Okay. This is nothing but the details of our batch. Okay. And please make sure be ready to attend some extra classes also. Okay. On weekends, maximum on Saturday and Sunday, I will plan some extra classes also. Please try to attend. There are some certain topics are there which I need to continue for 2 hours. Okay, so for that a big program will be there, a single program. Like if you take single linked list, around um, 200 to 300 lines of code we have to implement. For such a type of programs, generally I will give some 2 hours, like we need to implement the program. So that is very, very important. Okay. So for certain topics, the topics which are very complicated and the topics which need more explanation, sometimes if I'm drawing the diagram also you can't understand. In such cases, so I need to explain minimum 2 or 3 times. For those topics, 1 hour session is not sufficient. That's why we will plan some weekend classes also. Be ready to attend, but not every week. I will mention maximum three sessions will be there, 3 weekend sessions. This is my at the very beginning I am giving this information. I request everyone to please be on mute, so later you can ask all your queries. Okay. Yeah, this is nothing but just description about our course. Coming to the syllabus, sir, first we are going to see introduction to algorithms. So what is mean by algorithm? Why we need to go for algorithm? What are the different types of algorithms are there? We will discuss. Later, we are going to see data structures. What is mean by data structure? How many classifications? What are the different types of data structures are there based on which we have to select? Okay. After that, very, very important concept. So time and space complexities. Generally, we won't focus much on space, but time is very, very important because see, in the real world, sir, again, I am repeating, the people who are there in final year and the people who are there in pre-final year, that is the students who are studying third year, final year BTech, and the students who are studying second year, third year degree, or the people who are studying MCA, okay, or BCA. And one more thing, the people who are in IT field also, okay, the people who needs to improve their knowledge, it is highly recommended to register for this course. 2500 means matter of 5 cinemas. Okay, just to spend and attend regularly. Minimum you need to spend 2 hours per day. You will become master in data structures because I trained so many students with this experience I'm telling. So parallelly, even we announced one more batch like advanced logic based programming. So that is also very, very important. If you have time, you can attend that one also. So tomorrow that session is going to start there, where we are going to concentrate only on programs. So 100 plus programs I'm going to discuss, some data structure programs, complex programs. Okay. So I will give that information later. So please sit with a pleasant mind. Okay. Focus on the topics which I'm going to cover. This is my a sincere suggestion for you people. Okay. So this is nothing but the third topic what we are going to discuss, like a time and a space complexities. After that, there is one very important topic. Without this topic, there is no data structures. Even if you ask any trainer, they are going to use the same information. What is that topic is recursion. Without recursion, you can't write any program. Without recursion, you can't write any program. That much important concept is nothing but what? Recursion. I can say these are nothing but recursive algorithms. Sir, I'm going to explain minimum 25 applications on recursion, like how to generate what you can call permutations, combinations, supersets, subsets, factorial, prime number. Okay, next and after that, Fibonacci sequence. So array-based subsets problem. All these things, around 25 algorithms, sample algorithms, we are going to discuss. So after that, so we have another topic is there called bit manipulations. Bit manipulations. Um, when you are learning any programming language, whether it may be C or C++ or Java or Python, at a very beginning, sir, there is one topic called bitwise operators. We are going to discuss about the bitwise operators. We will see only the few operators, like how bitwise AND is going to work, how bitwise OR is going to work. Just basic terminology only we will see, but we won't go in detail into that. But actually speaking, these bitwise operators are one of the key elements in any programming language to improve or to uplift, okay, the efficiency of the program. If you use these bitwise operators in the program, automatically it is going to improve its performance. Like we have so many bitwise operators are there. I think you know about that. Sir, by using those bitwise operators, there are so many algorithms which we can implement. I will demonstrate. Okay, even swapping. So there are n number of applications are there. We are going to discuss about this. Okay. Then after this, backtracking. Backtracking means what? When you are searching for any solution. So we can't give guarantee that there will be only one solution. Sir, I want to travel from my office to home. There are multiple paths are there. I can take any one path. So which is the shortest I will select. Suppose if I am visiting any new address. So I started with one point. I am trying to reach dead end, but I didn't get the destination. So what I will do? I will come back and I will try to find out another path. Are you observing? This point is called as backtracking. So there are n number of situations are there where we are going to use this backtracking. The top applications are nothing but nqueens, nqueens application, and Sudoku application. So something like rat in math. These three applications I am going to explain in our backtracking. Sir, trust me, this application, nqueens application, is going to take 1 hour. Sudoku application is going to take 1 hour. Rat in math application is going to take 1 hour. I can wind up in half an hour. But if I explain in detail, step by step, along with the diagrams, you can understand the code very simply. So this is that much important topic. After this, we are going to talk about sorting, sorting algorithms. There are different types of sorting algorithms are there. Okay, there are different types of searching algorithms are there. So even Python by default providing some sorting and searching techniques. That part also we are going to discuss here. Next and after that, divide and conquer. Divide and conquer algorithms. So I think you know. So divide and conquer in the sense we are going to use merge sort. Okay, merge sort. Next and after that, quick sort. Next and after that, binary search. So these are nothing but examples for divide and conquer. We are going to discuss about these algorithms also. Next, dynamic programming, which is very, very important, which is very, very important. There are n number of applications are there on dynamic programming. I am going to demonstrate 3 or 4 applications. Next, and after that, greedy, greedy algorithms, how to work with the greedy algorithms. Then we are going to discuss about hashing, hashing algorithm, how to implement hashing, hash table data structure. All these things will come here. So these are nothing but the types of algorithms what we are going to discuss. Coming to data structures, array. Array is the basic data structure, but technically in Python, this array is represented with list. Okay, we are going to see the fundas, how to create arrays and all. Next, and after that, um, we have rotations are there, how to rotate the array. Okay, next, we have one-dimensional array, how to represent, two-dimensional array, how to represent. We will see some most commonly asked questions, okay, or most frequently asked questions, coding questions we are going to discuss, okay, around for 20 array and 22-dimensional array based questions. Then there is one more data structure, which is my favorite, string. Trust me, sir, if you know the concept of string in Python, you can able to implement any kind of application. You can able to implement any kind of application. Then there is one more data structure called linked list, a list data structure. Under this, we have single linked list, double linked list, circular single linked list. Okay, circular double linked list. See, on this linked list, I am planning to explain around 25 operations, like how to reverse the linked list, is the linked list is palindrome or not, how to insert the element at beginning, how to insert the element at ending, like n number of operations are there. All these operations we are going to discuss here. Next, as you know that stack data structure. Next, and after that, queue data structure. Next, we have priority queue. Priority queue data structure is there. We will call it as a PQ. Next, and after that, the tree data structure. Binary tree we are going to discuss. Next, binary search tree we are going to discuss. Next, AVL tree. For this batch, I am going to plan even red black trees also. For this batch, I am planning to take red black trees also. Next, and after that, graph data structure. In this graph, how to represent the graph? Okay, by BFS, DFS traversals. How to find out the shortest path, how to find out the longest path. If I am giving two vertices, is there any path or not? Okay, all possible paths. So n number of applications are there. Those things we are going to discuss in this. So these are nothing but the topics which we are going to cover as a part of our course. Now, feel free to ask your questions. After that, I will continue. Any queries?
Sir, you are not taken heap data structure also, that is priority queue that you have taken in your
Yeah,
preview.
yeah, yeah. Here itself, that priority queue, it is nothing but heap only. Internally, I will cover that.
Okay. Sir, and one thing that I was waiting for this batch. I have already joined Vamasi Krishna full stack data science batch. Before that, I have done Python by the our this famous sir. I don't know. I'm not able to take his name.
Okay,
Vijay sir.
okay, okay.
So how I able to compare? Can you take some Python basics in the starting? So like the what it is pattern programs, so that I can easily understand. Means we all can easily understand. That means if you take some part of Python which is needed only for data structure, that much is enough, sir.
No, no, no. One thing, see, the prerequisite for this course is compulsory. You should know Python. Without knowing Python, so it is difficult. And moreover, I am focusing only on data structures. So if I am starting Python, then it will become very difficult for me. Even if I start, I will go with only Python. Okay. So there is no such type of scenarios. But anywhere, if you are feeling difficulty, I will maximum try to explain. Okay.
Okay, sir. Then I will recall all those notes,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I will teacher pattern will be same only. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Concept is same, sir. Yeah, Chandan, recordings are available. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Any other questions?
sir, that weekend batch you are taking means with Python with data structure that is of 6,000. Can you convert this also in that, or this is different from it?
That is different. This is different, sir. That is Python along with the data structures. This one is only data structures.
Sir, that batch is any upcoming, so I can wait or I can join this only.
Oh, no,
It,
no, no. As of now, data structures batch is this one only. We are not going to start any other batch in these 3 months.
okay.
Yeah. Sir, any other questions?
Sir,
Sir,
and the
is
batch will be the you said that there will be I taking more lectures, so that will be in the evening only, no? Means
Ah,
you
yeah,
said
evening only. Evening only.
okay, okay, sir.
hello?
Yes.
Sir, is core Python enough for DSA?
Sufficient, madam, but you should know how to create a class, how to create an object.
Yeah, that I do.
That if you understand, then no problem. See, when I'm explaining, if anywhere doubt is there, just you can ask me. I will clarify next. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions?
No, sir. Sir, but we are able to solve the problems which are on hacker and lead code, right? Means you will teach us how to use the website lead code because
No,
that
no,
is
no, no, no. Actually, this is from scratch to up to 60% level. I will train. Remaining
okay.
things you need to focus.
Okay, that constraint and that just one example from lead code that you can take us if it
Yeah,
is
maximum I will try because see, if I'm everything's feeding for you people, it is not good. So, but I will try to explain. See, whatever concepts are there in lead code, same problems only here also. But
okay,
what
okay,
the thing is nothing but you people have to sit and you need to practice. That is a
okay.
maximum issue which is faced by the students.
Yeah, yeah. Sir, because I was there with Capgemini 2 years ago. Okay,
Okay.
so I left the job because I want to learn the this full stack data science. So that course I am doing now, and for cracking the code, I need data structures and algorithm compulsory.
Yeah, yeah, it
So
is mandatory, right?
yes, so
Yeah, surely you can able to solve, sir. Just I will be there for guidance. If any problem is coming, just okay.
yeah, we will create your group means like all other batches also that we can ask in the batch
Yeah, that
anytime.
we will see later, sir. That is not necessary as of now. As of now, the communication will be only through email.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Ajit, go ahead.
Hello. Yeah, hi sir. Good evening.
Very good evening.
So, my question is like total how many questions you are going to cover in this course through all
Sir,
the course approximate.
uh, sir, actually speaking, um, sir, we are going to see the methodology, how we are going to solve the problems.
Mm-hmm.
First thing, see, if I have a linked list, okay,
Okay.
consider linked list program. First of all, what is linked list? How the connections are established? Suppose if I want to insert any new node, how I can able to insert? If I want to delete, how to delete? So how to search? Like if I explain 5 to 6 operations on linked list, if it is
Mm-hmm.
understandable by you very clearly with the diagrams, then they can give any kind of question you can able to answer.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, are you understanding my point?
Yeah, yeah,
See,
yeah. Basically,
on yeah,
you will clear all the basic logics. Okay. Based
yes,
on that, we will be
yes,
able to solve the questions, right?
yes.
If
If
we
you
are
see
understanding.
linked list in lead code or in internet, almost you can get a 250 plus programs.
Right. Yeah.
The only thing is for all these 250 programs, maximum 10 operations are very, very important. If you
Okay.
understand those 10 operations, easily you can do. See, in my previous batch also, there is one small incident. I want to address it now. See, I covered one concept called how to copy a list. If I have a linked list is there, how to copy that linked list, I explained. On the
Mm-hmm.
same class, I explained one more program, how to reverse the linked list.
Okay.
Then I completed the batch. around sixth batch, like that, DSA with Java, I completed this. There is one student who is very interested and he is keep on doing the programs. So he attended one interview. So they have asked one question based on linked list. He is very interested and he started doing the program, but unfortunately he is not getting the proper logic. And of course there is another option. He selected another question and he completed. But he called, so he asked, sir, I got a program like check whether your linked list is okay, linked list is palindrome linked list or not. Like that, they have asked a question.
Mhm.
Sir, you didn't cover this question like that, he asked. Simply I said, you need to practice because already I covered. It is a combination of these two only, right?
Yeah.
Simple logic.
Right.
Suppose if I have list 1 is there with some elements 10, 20, 30, 20, 10. What you need to do? You need to copy the elements present in the first link. Like, so we are going to get a 10, 20, 30. So again 20, 10. Then reverse the first list. What will going to get 10, 20, 30. So 20, 10. Now compare list 1 and list 2. Both are same or not, we have to check. If both are same, it is pally. Otherwise not palindrome. Understood?
Yeah, got it.
They will ask you to find out a middle element. So if you know the linked list, how to find out the length of the linked list, so that middle element tracing is very simple. Like that, we need to sit and we have to practice.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, right. Any other queries? Please let
Hash
me know.
table is also there. Hashing algorithm. Hash table.
Yes. Yes. Hashing means hash table only.
Okay, sir. Okay, means you will cover all the basic things and all the logics. So we need to
Yes. Yes.
implement them and we need to practice it.
Yes. Yes.
So, and if in future if we required you, then the group will be there, WhatsApp or in Telegram group,
Ah,
where
yes.
we can chat with you.
Ah, yes. Yes.
Okay, and sir, your HackerRank link for those program you have solved, that will be also provided. What
No,
will
no, here hacker rank won't be there. Sir, listen, it is a concept I am trying to explain, not problems.
okay, okay,
Are you
okay,
getting my point? See, dynamic programming means what? First, we need to understand. It takes 1 hour time to explain why we need to go for dynamic programming, what is dynamic programming, how to solve the problems.
okay,
Then
okay,
applications minimum you to see data structure is a vast, sir. It's a vast syllabus. It's like a ocean. You can see any number of programs. That is the reason there is a huge demand for this data structures course. If you
okay,
practice, more number of problems is going to come.
okay.
The
It's like
only
math, sir.
not like math, something like logical thinking.
Okay,
You need to practice more. That is the only solution.
okay,
If
sir.
you sit and if you concentrate, then only. Don't
Oh,
expect everything from trainer because I know my fingers are ready to do coding always. Minimum per day, I will try to write 20 to 30 programs. So I am an expert. So I can write any kind of program. If you
okay,
want to get that thing, you need to practice. You
okay,
can
sir.
ask queries, sir, I have done like this. Here the problem is coming, some test case is failing. How to solve this? Like that, you need to interact.
Yeah,
If
yeah, yeah.
I will get more benefit than you.
Okay, okay,
It's not
okay,
like a normal programming. Programming you can learn anywhere. You can see videos and materials and number of things are there. If I explain program or concept, so if other faculty is explaining, same thing will be there. There won't be any change. But whereas coming to the data structures, the approach is different. You need to try to capture that and you have to prepare maximum programs on that. Okay.
okay, sir. Got it.
Yeah,
Sir, and
right.
pattern.
Patterns why here coming, sir? Patterns is
Okay,
not.
okay, 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 okay.
Yeah. Sir, any other questions, please? Any questions? Yeah. Can I start? So the first chapter which I am going to start is not these T. Why? Because these are completely theory concepts. So I don't want to take theory concepts at the very beginning. I'm going to start one topic. What is that a topic is recursion. What is that topic is recursion. Recursion, or I can say recursive algorithms. But before moving to these recursive algorithms, just I need to discuss some few points for you people. Sir, in Python, there is one concept called function. Function. First, I will take one simple example. Why we need to go for functions, you need to get clarity. I am preparing one simple Python program. Listen, friends. So I am taking one simple Python program and I am saving this Python program with so test.py. The file name is nothing but what? Test.py. Listen carefully. My task is, first of all, I want to print a message called hello. How to print? There is one predefined library function is there called print. By using this function, you can able to print the message whatever you required. Sir, within double quotations, I have taken hello. That message hello is going to be printed on the screen. If you want, just I will run the Python file and I will show you. Tell me what is a command used to compile the file, sir? Anyone? Anyone having idea how to run Python file?
A program name dot test py.
So py space file name. File name is nothing but what? Test.py. Just I saved the file, Python file with test.py file name. If I press enter, automatically what will happen? We are going to get a message called hello. So that hello is printed. Hello is printed on the screen. This is the way how you can able to print a simple message on the screen. Sir, anyone having doubt in this sample Python program execution?
No, sir.
Everyone clear? Sir, please open your mouth and speak.
No.
Everyone clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, I want to do one small activity. What is that activities? I need to perform addition of two numbers. This is the task which they have given. I'm going to take a comma b is equal to 10 comma 20. So two numbers are there and c is equal to a plus b. Like this I am doing addition and I am trying to print. So in a formatted string, the result like a value is nothing but a, comma, b value is nothing but b, and so addition is nothing but what? In which variable it is available? C. Like this, just I want to print these three information. Now I am running the program, sir. Observe carefully. Sir, a value is 10, b value is 20, addition is nothing but a plus b, 10 plus 20, 30 we are getting. Okay. So I hope everyone understood this program concept. Do you have any doubt in this program? Please confirm.
Sir,
No.
print after that, what is the f?
You know already Python, right? It is a formatted string. Whatever you have taken within flower bracket, it will substitute that value. So here,
Okay.
what is the value of a? 10? That value is going to be substituted. So here b value, whatever you have taken within flower bracket, its value is going to be substituted there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That concept is called as formatting the string. Sir, everyone comfortable with these 3 lines of code? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, this is just addition of two numbers. Sir, I want to do this job one more time. What do we need to do? Sir, we have to take the same code again. Now I'm going to take, so maybe this one I'm taking a1 comma b1. Otherwise, let us take two extra variables like pq I'm taking and r is equal to, so p plus q. Okay, p plus q I'm taking, but while displaying a only I will take, but at the time of substituting I will take pq and the result is available in r. Okay, fine. Sir, one more time I want to do. Let me take, so I comma j I am declaring, so its values are I will update later, and c is nothing but k I am taking, and in the place of a I and in the place of b j I am taking. So a value is nothing but I, so b value is nothing but j, and c value is nothing but what? Sir, I am going to take a k here. I am going to take a k here. Like this, I am substituting. Now, is it going to print 3 times or not? Yes, but let me change the value to 11 and 21. And here I am going to take, so 12 comma 22. Like this, I am trying to change. Now see, sir, they have given 3 numbers. They asked me to calculate sum of 2 numbers. That pair sum we need to print. So now I think this code is very easy and you can understand very simply. Sir, any doubt in this code?
No, sir.
Everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes.
There is one small problem is there here. What is that problem is? Sir, you asked 3 times. That's why happily we are doing no issue at all. But if I'm asking 100 times, if I'm asking 1000 times, are you going to repeat this again and again and again and again? No. We have to go for some alternative technique. So if you remember, there is one concept is there to avoid this kind of thing. What is that concept is, sir, you can take a function. In Python, how to take a function? By using def keyword, we are going to define a function. You can take any function. Sir, any name you can take. I'm going to take function or let it be fun. Within bracket, if you want to put anything, you can put. Otherwise, you can stop. Sir, colon, indentation. So now I'm going to print welcome to functions, something like that. Just a message I'm printing. That's all. I defined a function. What is the advantage of this function? Sir, you can call, you can fire this function any number of times based on your requirement. How many times you need, those many times you can call. Sir, if I execute the program, what is the output that I am going to get is nothing, sir. Why? Because you created a function, but someone has to call, right? So how to call? Simply you are going to call like this fun. Automatically that function is executing. The advantage of this function is nothing but you can call any number of times based on your requirement. Those many times it is going to respond. So declaration is only one time. Definition is only one time, but usage is many number of times. It is the concept of reusability. Reusability in the sense what? Already existing item we are going to reuse. Existing item we are going to reuse. There are two types of things are there. One is instant purpose. Second one is a regular usage. If you are using regularly, definitely you need to create that component. If you are using instantly, just one time usage, no need to keep it with you. So like functions are nothing but what? Reusability concept. Internally, what will happen? One copy will be created. You can call that any number of times. Every time it want to create. One time creation only will be done. So I hope everyone understood what is this scenario. Do you have any doubt in this example? Everyone, please confirm.
No, sir. No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Right. Now, slowly, I want to convert our previous example into this code. How to do that? I will take the function name as addition or add. Add. How many values it is taking? Two values. Let it be a comma b. What is the formula? Sir, c is equal to I am taking a plus b. And in a formatted string, sir, I am printing a colon is nothing but a. So comma b colon is nothing but b. And sir, addition colon is nothing but what? C. Simply I am printing like this. Now, sir, I want to call first time. I want to call first time. Sir, what we have to do? Already values are there with me. I defined a function. Just you can call that function. Just you can call that function. Sir, what I am going to do is I am calling by passing two parameters. What are those two parameters is? Sir, I am going to call by passing add of 10 comma or 1 comma 2. Next I am passing 10 comma 20. Next I am passing 100 comma 200. Next I am passing 1000 comma 2000. How many times we are calling? 4 times. 4 times it is going to respond. Sir, how many times we declared? Only one time, but it is going to respond any number of times. This concept, reusability concept, is there in every programming language. In some programming languages, we will call it as a functions. In some programming languages, we will call it as a methods. In some programming languages, we are going to call it as a procedures. So there are multiple names are there for that. Okay. So what is the advantage of functions? Why I explained this functional programming, within few minutes you will get clarity. But is a program, is it clear? Please confirm everyone.
Yes, sir.
Any queries?
No, sir. Sir, but if we give the values in the add itself, a comma b, y, then that will be a positional argument, right?
Hmm.
Then only if we call that add, then
Okay, don't go in detail into this. It is sufficient as of now. Sir, everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, next, internally, what will happen? Internally, what will happen? Sir, a separate task is going to be done internally. Okay. Internally, whenever we are taking the functions, so internally, some mechanism is going to be happen. Now I will demonstrate what is that mechanism. Sir, tell me the output of these programs. I am printing some messages saying main function. Okay, main function execution started. Like this, I am printing some message. Then main function execution. Okay, so ended. Like this, I am taking. Sir, if I run this program, what is the output that I am going to get?
2 lines you will get. Main function started, main function ended.
So main function started, main function ended, like we are going to get 2 lines. You can see main function execution started, main function execution ended, like you are going to get 2 lines. Now my question is, sir, I want to define a function fun, like this I am taking. Inside this function, I am printing some message saying, so function fun execution started, like this I am taking. So then function execution ended, like this I am taking. Okay. Now tell me what is the output, sir?
Only these 2 lines will be printed. That is 7 number and 8 number. That is
Yes, seventh line and eighth line. Why? Because we created a function, but we didn't invoke. What I am doing is internally I am going to invoke this function. Now tell me what is the output.
sir. 3 lines will be printed, sir. Four lines will be printed.
4 lines will be printed. First line number, this line is going to execute. This is nothing but first line what you are going to get. Sir, what about the second line? Because you are calling fun, right? So immediately what will happen? The control is moving from eighth line to this function. Then these 2 lines are going to be executed. After that, it will come back and it will execute this. So I can say this is nothing but a second line which I am going to get output, and this is nothing but a third line output what I am going to get, and this one is nothing but fourth line. Let me check really is it coming or not. Sir, if you run the program, you can see main function execution started, function fun execution started, function fun execution ended, main function execution ended. This is nothing but the flow of control what is happening here. Sir, do you have any doubt in this? Please confirm, everyone. Slowly I am trying to enter into the recursion. Any doubts up to this?
Sir, you have
No, sir.
called your function, but you
Hmm.
have created first of all the function. Okay.
Hmm.
So this print function, that is first line is inside the function. So how come it will run first?
Sir, don't ask simple questions because you know already this is function, right?
Yeah,
Program execution is not going to start from function. It will always take the scripting. So by default, our Python file is main function, right?
yeah.
So it will start from sixth line only.
Okay,
Since it is a function, by default, it won't execute. If someone is calling, then only it will. Got it?
okay, okay.
Sir, everyone clear with this scenario?
Yes, sir.
Please confirm everyone.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Right. See, internally what will happen is there is one stack is going to be created. There is one stack is going to be created. There is one data structure is there like this. A stack is going to be created like this. Sir, first entry in the stack is nothing but Python virtual mission. Python virtual mission is going to call main. Python virtual mission is going to call main. So main is going to call some function. Which function main is going to call fun. So after completion of this function, it will come back. It will come back. That's all. Sir, why it is going to maintain stack? Why? Because, sir, suppose if I have two functions are there. This is nothing but a function one. Function one is going to call function two. Sir, function 2 is going to call function 3. Like if multiple functions are there, which function execution is going to stop first? Function 3. After that, who called F3? F2, right? So that pending instructions which are there in F2 is going to be executed now. So something like we are adding and which element is recently added, that function we have to invoke first. That is the reason why internally what will happen, it is going to maintain one stack data structure. We are not required to maintain. By default, every virtual mission, if it is Java, Java virtual mission, if it is Python, Python virtual mission is going to maintain these kind of things. Sir, everyone clear with the terminology? Please confirm. Don't worry. If I take multiple examples, you people will get clarity. Sir, up to this, any doubt?
No, sir.
Everyone clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Seems to be it is only one function. That's why it is very easy for you. If I'm taking one more function, you will get clarity. Okay. So what I will do is I'm taking this one as a function one. So function one execution started, execution ended. Like this, I want to define one more function. What is that function is fun2. Now see what will happen. Sir, inside this, I'm going to call fun2, sir. Sir, observe what output we are going to get. Tell me from where execution is going to start, sir. Tell me line numbers in my code.
Sir, execution start from line number 11.
Line number 11 is
After
the
that,
first line. Then
uh, yeah. And second is line number 7. Sorry, for one. Second is line number 2.
line number 2.
And
Then it is calling
then
another function, right?
another
So,
function, and
mm,
third line is line number 7.
yes. So function 1 is calling another function, function 2. So here line number 7 is nothing but what? Third line what you are going to get.
Yes,
Then
sir.
is
And
there
line
any
number 8
other
is 4th.
calls? No, no. So immediately it is going to call fourth. Then, sir, it completed the job. It completed the job and it will come back. Which function called recently? fun1. It will check in fun1, is there any extra lines? Yes. So that will be executed now, which is nothing but fifth line. So then here we are going to get a sixth line. Up to this, any doubt?
Sir, can you explain once again? Pardon?
See, first function one, someone is going to call, but before that main function execution is going to be started. So line number 11 is going to be executed before main. Then what will happen? Main is calling function one. In function one, line number two is going to be executed, this one. Then function is calling another function. In that function, 7th line is going to be executed. Sir, is this function is calling any other function? No. So line number 8 is also going to be executed. Then, sir, function 2 task completed. It will delete this entry from the stack and it will come back. Now it will verify after function 2 call. Is there any other methods to execute? Yes, that will be executed. Then it will come back after deleting this control. Then Python virtual machine called main function. In that main, is there any other instructions? Yes, 13th line is there. It will execute that. Got it? Yeah, don't worry. If you are not getting, tomorrow again I will explain. Sir, see the result. First main function execution started. Then what happened? From here to the control is going to function 1. In function 2, second line is executing. Sir, function 1 execution started. Then, is there anything to execute? No, we are calling another function. Immediately, the control will redirect to function 2. In function 2, we are printing function 2 execution started. Yes. Is there any other method call? No, sir. Then function execution ended. Yes. Then, sir, function, it will come back. Who called function 2? Function 1, right? Sir, is there any other pending instruction? Yes. Now that will be executed. So after that, main function execution ended. Sir, everyone got clarity? Any doubt?
No, sir. Sir, I got it, sir. Sir, first 11th line will be executed. After that, function call will go for first function. Then he will execute the second line. Second line.
Yeah,
Okay.
you understood, right?
Yeah. I
Yeah,
understood.
leave. Sir, any other queries up to this? Any doubt? Please confirm.
Sir,
Yeah.
after function 2, it will run third and fourth line. Okay. Then after that, it will check that what it is remaining in
Sir,
the
you
function.
understood, right? Don't explain to me. You understood, right?
Somewhat I'm not getting fifth line.
Don't worry. I will explain in the next class by taking the same example. You will get clarity. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, clear everyone? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
Yeah. Tomorrow I will explain with the diagram. Don't worry. That's all, sir. This is nothing but what we have today's demo. So tomorrow again we are going to continue from this example. This example with the diagrammatic representation I will explain. Then I will introduce recursion means what, how the recursion calls will be. Step by step I will demonstrate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right, sir. So tomorrow as usual session is there at 9 o'clock. Please join 5 minutes before. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Right, guys. Thank you.
Sir, any notes will be got, handwritten notes, anything
No,
with this
no,
course?
sir. Same, this document only we will share.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, thank you, sir.